It's time to grab your popcorn and get ready for a wild ride through the world of cryptocurrency. Today's video is all about the meteoric rise and dramatic fall of FTX, one of the biggest players in the crypto trading game, and its enigmatic founder, Sam Bankman-Fried. We'll be diving deep into the dirty details of what went wrong and how it has impacted the wider world of crypto. So, get ready to be shocked, surprised, and maybe even a little bit angry as we take a closer look at one of the most sensational stories to hit the crypto world in recent memory. Without further ado, let's get started. The rise of FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam is an extremely talented entrepreneur who co-founded Alameda Research, a quantitative trading firm, and later went on to create FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange that quickly became one of the fastest growing platforms in the industry. From the very beginning, FTX stood out from the crowd with its innovative features such as leverage tokens, options, and futures. These unique products attracted a lot of attention from traders and investors, and before long, FTX had established itself as a major player in the crypto world. But it wasn't just the platform's features that made it all so popular. Sam's reputation in the industry was also a major factor. He had become something of a celebrity in the crypto world thanks to his trading skills and his philanthropic work. Sam had donated millions of dollars to charitable causes, which only added to his appeal and helped build his reputation as a visionary leader in the space. In the years that followed, FTX's popularity continued to soar, and it became one of the most trusted and widely used exchanges in the industry. Sam was praised for his leadership and innovation, and many considered him to be one of the most influential people in the entire crypto world. The collapse of FTX. It all started in late of 2022 when reports emerged about fraudulent activity and mismanagement at FTX. The allegations were serious and they triggered an investigation by the FBI. The investigation uncovered a range of irregularities, including insider trading, market manipulation, and money laundering. The authorities moved quickly, and in a matter of weeks, Sam Bankman-Fried and several other key figures at FTX were arrested. The news of the collapse of FTX sent shockwaves throughout the crypto industry, and many investors were left reeling. The loss of such a major player had a significant impact on the overall market, with prices falling across the board. The crypto world had lost one of its most trusted and innovative exchanges, and the fallout was felt far and wide. So, what went wrong? There were a number of mistakes made by Sam and his team that ultimately led to the collapse of FTX. One of the biggest was a lack of transparency. FTX was not forthcoming about its business practices, and this made it difficult for investors to fully understand the risks involved. Additionally, there were concerns about the lack of oversight and regulation in the industry, which allowed FTX to operate with a degree of freedom that some argued was unwarranted. There were also questions raised about Sam's leadership style. Some critics argued that he had become too focused on his own personal brand, rather than building a sustainable business. Others claimed that he had taken on too much at once, trying to expand the business too quickly without the proper infrastructure in place. Whatever the reasons, the collapse of FTX was a wake-up call for the entire crypto industry. It highlighted the risks and challenges involved in investing in this still relatively new and unregulated market. And it served as a reminder that no matter how innovative and successful a businessman may seem, there's always the potential for things to go wrong. The aftermath. The immediate aftermath of the FTX collapse was one of a shock and uncertainty. Many investors who had put their faith in the exchange were left with significant losses, and there were concerns about what the future might hold. In the weeks and months that followed, however, the crypto market began to recover and other exchanges stepped up to fill the void left by FTX. For Sam Bankman-Fried, the aftermath of the collapse has been particularly difficult. He has been arrested and charged with a range of crimes. According to official statements, the FBI believes that Bankman-Fried engaged in a range of illegal activities in connection with FTX, including market manipulation, fraud, and money laundering. These allegations are based on a range of evidence, including emails, financial records, and witnessed statements. As part of its investigation, the FBI has seized a range of assets belonging to Bankman-Fried, including his personal accounts and those belonging to his businesses. It has also charged him with a range of criminal offenses, and he is currently facing a lengthy legal battle that could result in significant fines and prison time. His reputation has been severely damaged, and many former supporters have distanced themselves from him. Despite these challenges, however, Sam has not given up on his ambitions. he has continued to work on other projects, including a new decentralized exchange called Serum, and he remains an influential figure in the crypto industry. Some observers believe that he has learned something from the mistakes he made at FTX, and that he is now more focused on building sustainable businesses that can withstand the challenges of the market. As for FTX itself, the future remains uncertain. While the exchange was once one of the most innovative and successful in the industry, its collapse has raised various and serious questions about the viability of unregulated crypto businesses. Some investors may be wary of putting their money into similar ventures in the future, and there may be increased pressure for greater regulation and oversight in the industry. Lessons learned? One of the key lessons is the importance of transparency and accountability in the crypto industry. The lack of oversight and regulation in this space has made it easy for bad actors to engage in legal activities and manipulate markets. Going forward, it will be important for investors and entrepreneurs to prioritize transparency and accountability, and for regulators to develop effective mechanisms for enforcing these standards. Another lesson is the importance of diversification in crypto investments. The collapse of FTX has shown that even seemingly successful projects can fail, and that investors should not rely on any single project or token for their financial security. Instead, they should spread their investments across a range of projects and tokens, and take a long-term view of the market. Additionally, the collapse of FTX has highlighted the need for caution and due diligence when evaluating crypto investments. Investors should thoroughly research any project or token before investing, and be wary of hype and unrealistic promises. The collapse of FTX has underscored the need for effective regulation and oversight in the crypto industry. While many in the crypto community resist regulation, the FTX collapse has shown that regulation can help protect investors and prevent illegal activities. Going forward, it will be important for regulators to strike a balance between promoting innovation and protecting consumers, and for the crypto industry to work collaboratively with regulators to develop effective regulatory frameworks. The collapse of FTX and the arrest of its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, represent a watershed moment in the history of the cryptocurrency industry. The rise and fall of FTX illustrate the potential for rapid growth and innovation in the crypto space, but also the risks and challenges that come with this new and rapidly evolving industry. The collapse of FTX has provided important lessons for investors, entrepreneurs, and regulators in the crypto industry. The importance of transparency, accountability, diversification, caution, and effective regulation have all been underscored by this event. These lessons are critical for ensuring the long-term success and sustainability of the crypto industry, and for protecting investors from fraud and other forms of malfeasance. Going forward, it will be important for the crypto industry to take these lessons to heart and to continue to innovate and evolve in a responsible and sustainable way. This will require collaboration between investors, entrepreneurs, regulators, and other stakeholders in the industry. At the same time, it is important to remember that the collapse of FTX is just one chapter in the ongoing story of the crypto industry. There will be successes and failures, breakthroughs and setbacks, and new challenges and opportunities in the years ahead. As we move forward, it is important to maintain a long-term perspective, to remain adaptable and flexible in the face of change, and to always keep in mind the potential for the crypto industry to change the world for the better. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that it has provided you with a useful and thought-provoking perspective on the collapse of FTX and the lessons that can be learned from this event. Please share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on the crypto industry and related topics.